Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft Edge extensions and browser cleanup easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your Microsoft Edge browser. Locate the three horizontal dots in the upper right corner of the window. Click on these dots to access the menu. From the menu, select Extensions. This will take you to the Extensions page. Here, you'll see a list of all the extensions currently installed. Find the extension you wish to uninstall. Click on the Remove button beneath that extension. A confirmation dialog will appear. Confirm that you want to remove the extension by clicking Remove again. The extension will be uninstalled from your browser. Next, let's perform a browser cleanup. Return to the menu by clicking the three dots again. This time, select Settings from the drop-down. In the Settings menu, choose Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down to the Clear Browsing Data section. Click on Choose what to clear. You'll see options for clearing your browsing data. Select the time range from which you want to clear data. Check the boxes for the types of data you want to remove, such as cached images and files. Once you've made your selections, click the Clear Now button. That's it. Your Microsoft Edge extensions have been uninstalled, and your browser is now cleaned up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.